Welcome to Wizard.com. I am Maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. The ratio of the volumes of two spheres is 8/27. If small r and capital R are the radii of spheres respectively, then the ratio r minus r by r is what? So, it is given that the ratio of volumes of two spheres having small r and capital R as the radii of spheres. So this ratio will be equal to, we know that the volume of sphere is given as 4/3 pi its radius square. So small r and capital R are the radius. So this ratio is given in the question as 8/27. So from here 4/3 pi gets cancelled from numerator and denominator. So small r by capital R whole cube will be equal to, this is the cube of 2/3 because 2 cube is 8 and 3 cube is 27. So 2/3 whole cube. Therefore from here we can get small r by capital R as 2/3. Let's say this be first equation. Now what we have to find is, we have to find this ratio capital R minus small r divided by small r. So we can write it like this, capital R by small r minus r by r is 1. So this ratio we have to find out. Why we have written like this? Because we know the ratio of small r by capital R, that is 2/3. So the ratio of capital R by small r will be its reciprocal, that is 3/2. So 3/2 minus 1. This we have written from equation 1. So the required ratio will be equal to 3 minus 2/2, that is 1/2. So 1:2 is the required ratio. Let's check the option. So 1/2 is option A. Therefore we can say that the answer is option A.